Platform 1 for the 16:59 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at West Wyvern, North Shore and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This is Millcastle. This train is for Lynn by the Sea. The next station is West Wyvern. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. The next station is West Wyvern. We will shortly be arriving at West Wyvern. Change here for services to Rayleigh Bay. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is West Wyvern. This train is for Lynn by the Sea. The next station is North Shore.